Hey, what's up guys, this is TechDroid here and welcome back to TechDroid Daily. So first up, a lot of people waiting for the Asus Zenfone Zoom, especially the camera tech as well. We potentially await its release. Ready for the CES 2016 trade show in early January, where we expect to see all the manner of cutting edge hardware. Back at the 2015 show of that, the lineup include the Asus Zenfone Zoom. We are still waiting for the Zenfone Zoom to drop, and today the manufacturer further wait or appeared with a new teaser showing off some of the engineering that goes into the handset. In today's new video, the manufacturer highlights some of what's going on there, showing how elaborate the periscope system folds the light path perpendicular to how it enters the phone in order to accommodate the zoom system. More than that, front side illuminate sensor helps reduce the pixel crosstalk and improves sensitivity, especially in low light conditions. The non-imaginary part of the hardware don't sound too shady either, like the presence of 4 GB of RAM, and we rarely previously promised a beefy 128 GB storage option too. This teaser has us helpful that we could be nearing release day, but considering how long we are already being waiting, Asus will have to forgive with us for not holding our breath. Next one, the OnePlus 2 Mini. We got some hardware detail of OnePlus 2 Mini, 4.7-inch Full HD screen and 4 GB of RAM. OnePlus is phasing out controversial and downright unaffordable invitation-based purchasing system for its 3 affordable high-end phones. Clearly, you will need to wait a while longer for direct follow-up, so OnePlus could choose to brand out into other market segment over the coming months. It's obviously wise to remember these types of product leaks are not always 100% accurate or legit, which may explain why the Power Monkey combine a collapsed 4 GB of RAM and underclocked 1.7 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 810 processor, or why the 13 megapixel rear-facing camera lacks HDR capability, or why there is no board NFC connectivity. Wait on the second thought. That last part actually sounds good. Meanwhile, 64 GB internal storage packs feels a little excessive, and 1920 1080p pixel resolution will produce a mind-blowing 479 pixel per inch. The pin-side display, it all seems a bit dreamy to be a real. Even the Android 5.1 lollipop on the software side, and just a 5 megapixel front shooter providing your selfie fix. But this is time for believe in miracle. Let's see what OnePlus launch in next year. And finally, the newest Motorola possible redesigned Motorola 2016 handset. The new leak has emerged that purpose to showcase a 2016 Motorola device. The sound CN beta suggests it might be the Moto X 2016. Then you have two strips of pretty odd looking speakers at the bottom and the smack dab in the middle. A Brander M logo stick set to replace the old distinctive imprint previously located a little close to the main cam. Also of note, the Motorola Moto X 2016 skeleton does not seem to prevent any curves or edges, with antenna likely the contained in a small top and a bottom plastic block meant to keep network connectivity nice and stable. Overall, the bold move risks are definitely to be expected from Lenovo management and the Moto engineers, even if this particular preliminary design fails to take a commercial shape. So let's see what Motorola launched in 2016 CES. So that's all in this Tech Daily. Thanks for watching guys, and if you want more info, check out the description down below, and as I always, thank you for watching, and we will see you in a very next one. Have a good day.